Good morning, friends. I am in one of the most unique places I think I've ever been, which is basically Kazakhstan's backwoods here. We have these gorgeous mountains behind me. We have these rolling hills, and the area that we're going to today is called Kolsay Lakes. We drove about 5-6 hours last night to get here. We're staying kind of in these traditional Kazakhstani houses or boarding houses. There's even a yurt behind me. There's horses, and I think today's going to be a really interesting day. These are the outhouses we have to use. There are no traditional bathrooms here. And this is the house that we're staying in, and the tour package that we got includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so it's actually a pretty sweet deal. Интересная, маленькая.
Из какого города?
Ну, я живу в Канаде. Ага. Я здесь первый раз.
Вау, поздравляю.
Да, спасибо. Пока нравится. Here we are at the start of the trail, guys. These are the very heavy-duty vans that we took to go off-roading up here. I'm actually shocked that they made it through as well as they did. And over here we have horses for anybody who wants to ride those to the top of the hill. And the rest of us are gonna go hiking. So they just gave us our lunch box after we do the hike. It's kind of like this hot pot bowl, which looks really interesting. I think it's like noodles, vegetables, sauce, and some kind of meat. As you guys could probably tell on this trip, I am putting my veganism a little bit more to the side in these kinds of times to just make things easier. But yeah, I think we're all ready to go. So you guys, I will say this, that I feel so blessed to be able to speak Russian, because not only do people that are considered local or at least speak Russian can get these tours for so much less, but it's such a beautiful experience to be able to, speak the local language of a place. So if you ever have the opportunity to learn a new language and then go to the country that you can use it in, I highly recommend it. I am so out of breath already.
Это репортаж с озера Kaindy. Алина ведет целую казахстанскую группу туристов. Алина ведет. Вау, молодец, супер. Ой, Алина ведет, да, казахстанскую группу. Целую туристическую казахстанскую группу. Ведет сама по главе впереди. Молодец, Алина, супер.
Они сильные такие машины.
Ну да, это же совет.
Holy heck, guys. It is actually so steep. We've been going for about an hour now. I have no idea how much more time we have left, but it is absolutely glorious out here. Красота! Цветы какие! Как в чай?
Чай потом, да, заваривать, пить. Надо нарвать.
So I've decided to join the crowd and I am barefoot in the lake. And you guys, for being plus 30, it is freezing cold. I can't even tell you. I need to get on this log or something. Oh. So I'm just gonna own being a total baby. I cannot make it over there. I have just realized that my cold threshold will just be overdone. So I'm just gonna stay on this little island and enjoy the view. And there's Valentina over there being so brave. These people are so tough. Валентина спортсвумен. Осторожно. Так. И телефон тоже не надо. О, пошла. Есть. Как лед, прямо как лед.
Интересно, кто вот это вот делает? Я еще там слышно станет. Вот он покупки. Запаивает.
Привет. Привет. Alright guys, we are kind of at the end of our hiking day. We're just waiting for our van to come pick us up and we'll basically go off-roading back to our little boarding house. It's about 4 o'clock right now and we are going to do a traditional banya, and after that we're gonna have supper at the boarding house, and then there's going to be a big campfire at 9 o'clock, which is supposed to be kind of a traditional Kazakhstani sort of thing with lots of dancing, lots of music. So hopefully I can record some of that for you guys, and then tomorrow we are going to do the Kolsay Lakes and be heading back to the city as well. So it's going to be a very long day. So I'll keep you guys updated with what we are doing on this tour, but today was just spectacular. The nature here in Kazakhstan is just breathtaking. The people are so kind, and I knew that it was going to be a good idea to come here, so I'm really glad that it's been working out so well in literally the 2 days that I've been here so far.